Well, good morning. It's me. I'm on a different shift for the next few weeks. So I just woke up about half an hour ago. It's 8:20 in the morning, 53 degrees on a Tuesday, 12 October. Let's do a park. Okay? See what we can find. Well, our first semi-good find is an upside-down Zinken. Yeah, I don't know what that is. This is bouncing between a 4 and a 91. Could be silver-ish. I don't see any marks on it. But I don't care. We'll keep it. Looks strange. A rabbit? I don't know. Coyote? Funny looking bird? Who knows? Alright, so right in this area, so where this bolt's at, got a dime. I'm still using the SP35 coil. You can still get in close to place. You just have to listen to the variance in the tone. And that's what I do. So smaller coils help, but if you got a bigger coil, just practice and you can succeed. Well, we just got done pulling that out of the grass and putting it by the tree here. I'm sure the parts guys would like to put that over what valve it goes over. But got a crusty old muddy Zinken. It's really sad. As a relic hunter, I'm a sucker for big iron, even in parks. Large valve. Oh, it's big. Let's keep going. Got ourselves a little truck. Oops. The funny thing is, I just walked right over this when I picked up that large iron thing. Just got to retracing my paths out here. Nice little mini coin spill. Nickel, dime, and penny. And a few feet away, another penny. And a few feet away from the penny, we got an old, well, not too old, but been on the ground for a while, nickel. I apologize if the wind is loud, but got another dime. Actually got a few pennies. We just got part of a bracelet. I'm pretty sure it's just junk, but we'll check it when we get home. Finally, I can say it. I hit my quota with a quota. And there was a diamond hole too. Well, not really an hole. This area I'm at always has coins scattered all over the place. And lighters and other paraphernalia. So I think, well, there's some very careless people that hang out at this corner of the park during the evening time, enjoying whatever they're enjoying. Yeah, this little spot of the park never disappoints. Another quarter and a dime. Oh. Yeah, the wind keeps picking up and going away, picking up and going away. I did dig a full bunch of pennies, but I'm pretty sure, well, you'll see them around it. Well, that is definitely not an earring. That's for a belly button. Ew, we'll wash that one off really good. Oh, I wonder if it's silver though. I doubt it. The way it's tarnished like that. Post is probably surgical steel. See the threading on it. So there's probably a little ball somewhere around here. Some sort of horse. Oh, that's a dude on a horse. Nondescript metal. Well, we'll take the dude on a horse. It sure was windy out there. All done with my hunt. Just washing my hands. I keep some antibacterial wet wipes in my car to clean my hands off after a hunt. Even though I was wearing gloves, still dirt gets in there. But yeah, that back corner, Definitely some canoodling going on back there. That's okay. They want to drop coins, I'll take them. But I think that does it for me today. That was 2 hours. It's pretty much as long as I really want to spend in a park is 2 hours. You get bored after a while. But I'm gonna get head home. I would have done a trash can roundup, but it's just too darn windy out there. And all the little bits of foil and stuff that I pick up as I'm walking around, it just blow all over the place. So I'll see you at the garage. We'll do a cookie sheet dump, and then I'll show you the cleanup later, okay? Okay, we're in the garage out of the wind. Let's do the dump. It's impressive. Look at all that yummy, yummy garbage. I mean, got just about a little bit of everything in there. And of course, there's some good stuff there, which we'll clean that up and see what the total is on coins. But, oh yeah, that's some good crap right there. All right, here's the cleanup. There we go. Chain with the stones, definitely bling. That I'm pretty sure is a roach clip. There was some residue on the end. So, hey, I can add that to the chuck it list. This I'm not too sure though. It still has toning like it's silver. So, I might keep that and chuck that. We got silver barrette. The cowboy dude, belly button ring. Ended up with 2 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dimes. 1, 2, 3 nickels, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11 pennies. So not too bad for a hunt. So yeah, there you go. It's 12:03. In about an hour or so, I have to get ready for work. I gotta start work at 3 now. At least for the next 5 or so weeks. So anyhow, new schedule. Yay. At least I can go to sleep and then wake up and do a hunt. And maybe we can get rid of these bags under my eyes. Who knows? So you all take care. Good luck out there. Happy hunting. Stay safe. And bye for now.